Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using this fabric to show you how to cut a flutter sleeve. So guys, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to open up my fabric like this, and I'm going to fold your fabric just the way you see me doing it. You're going to fold your fabric together just like this. You see how I folded it, guys? Just fold up your fabric like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is to rule a straight line, and to get that line I'm going to divide my armhole measurement by 2, which is 9.5. I'll be adding extra half inch, which gave me 10 inches. So I'm going to mark my 10 inches and I will rule the line. So guys, after doing this, the next step is to get the cap of my sleeve, and to get the cap I'm going to be going up from that point by 4 inches. So you mark 4 inches upwards from that point, and I'm going to rule the line to meet this point. So now guys, we have a new armhole line. So this new armhole line is where we'll be creating the armhole. So I'm going to get the midpoint of this new line. I'm going to measure what I have there, and I'll get the midpoint of this line. So I'll mark it, and I'm going to be drawing something like a very flat S from this point to meet this point. Then I'll draw it to the end. So guys, pay attention so you'll see what I'm doing exactly. I don't really know how to explain it. You're just going to draw something like a very flat S, just the way you see me doing it. Now guys, after doing that, the next step is to take the length of my sleeve, and I'm going to be working with a length of 12 inches, and I'm going to be adding extra 1 inch, which gives me 13 inches, which is going to serve as my joining and my hem allowance. So I'm going to mark my 13 inches here, and I'll mark my 13 inches. I just keep marking my 13 inches. Guys, when you are doing this, do not move the tape from this point. Do not move it to the middle. No, you don't do that. Make sure the tape is at that point, and you just keep taking your measurement from the beginning to the end. Just keep marking your 13 inches till you get to the end. Now after doing that, I'm just going to connect the dots together. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to cut it out. I'm just going to cut it out. Now after cutting, I'm going to be using this particular one to cut out the other sleeve. So you see, I already fold my fabric the way I did the first time. I'm going to be placing this sleeve on it just to cut out another one. Basically guys, that's all for this tutorial. You see, it is very easy to cut out a flutter sleeve. It is not something difficult or complicated. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me thumbs up for this video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.